Hello dear students, so now today we would move ahead in this fifth chapter of class 7 science, that is acids, bases and salts. Okay, so now in the previous video we have discussed about the acids and the bases. Okay, the types of acids which are there in the different means like we are eating the lemon there. Okay, so in the lemon you have an acid there. Okay, so similarly we are just using the different kind of things, and there we have different, some are having acidic content and some are having the basic content, isn't it? Like we are using the soap, so in the soap there you have the base, isn't it? Because it tastes bitter. Okay, so we have discussed this: acids taste sour and the bases taste bitter. Okay, now if you are just tasting the lemon water, so it would taste sour. Why? Because it contains acid, isn't it? So that is why, because we are just concluding that acids taste sour and bases taste bitter. Okay, now let's say suppose you have been given two substances. One is this and another in this one glass. Two liquids have been given to you. Now you have to just tell which one is acidic and which one is basic. All the time if you are tasting, it is not good to taste, because some acids are very much harmful also. If you are tasting them, they can harm you. Okay, so I am just suggesting you to not taste all the things there. Okay, but lying in the case where some are the natural acids that we can use, no harm is there. But some acids are there which are known as the mineral acids. Okay, so they are very harmful, so do not taste all sort of acids there. Okay, so but how would you say now whether the given substances are acids or bases? Okay, how would you check? How would you check this one is acid? This, let's say I am saying this is acid and this is base. So how would you say this is acid and this is base? Is there any criteria for that? Yes, we are just saying that this one is acid and this one is base on the basis of indicators. What? Indicators. So what are indicators? Indicators are the substances which are used to check whether the given substance is acid or base. Okay, indicators are the substances that are used to check whether the given substances are acids or bases. We are using the indicator for that purpose. Okay, so let me write about the indicators now. Now this is the definition of the indicators. Indicators are the substances which are used to check whether the given solution is acidic or basic. Suppose you have been given a solution. Now you have to check whether this one solution which is there in the glass is acidic or basic. So what you would do, you would take an indicator, and with the help of that one indicator you would check whether the given solution is acidic or basic. Okay, now if you are just talking about the indicators are of two types. Basically they are of three types. We would not be talking about all the indicators, only we would be focusing on the first type of indicator, that is the natural indicator. Okay, now if you see the types of indicator, so the indicators can be divided into two groups. Some are natural indicators which are found there in the nature. Okay, and some are the synthetic indicators which we are making. Okay, so indicators can be of two types: natural indicators, then we have the synthetic indicators. Okay, then we have one more type of indicator that are known as the olfactory indicators. So all the types of indicator you would be knowing when you are going in the 10th class there. Okay, there you would be reading about all the indicators there. Okay, but right now we would focus on the natural indicators only. Okay, so let's see what are the natural indicators. Okay, so let's see now. So let's discuss about the natural indicators. Natural indicators, the first one is the litmus. So litmus is a natural indicator. We are using this litmus to find out whether a given solution is acidic or basic. Okay, now if you see what is litmus, so litmus is an extract from we are extracting this litmus from a plant known as the lichens. We have the plants there known as the lichens. So from these lichens we are extracting the litmus. Okay, so litmus is an extract of the plants, lichen plants. Okay, so we have the lichens. Okay, we have the lichens. So from these lichens we are extracting the litmus. Now if you see in the market, the litmus is available in two forms. One is red litmus paper and another one is the blue litmus paper. Okay, how we are doing this? We are extracting the litmus from the lichen plant and then we are coloring it. The litmus paper is available in two colors now. It is available in red color also and it is available in blue color also. We are making a red litmus color paper and then one more we are making, that is the blue litmus color paper. This is red and this one is blue. Now these two red litmus paper and blue litmus paper we are using to find out whether a given solution is acidic or basic. Let's say we have a solution here. Let's say we have a solution. This is the solution. We don't know which one solution is this. Now what we are doing, we are just having this red litmus paper, and what we do, we dip this red litmus paper in this one solution. Okay, we dip this red litmus paper in this one solution. Let's say we have this red litmus paper. Okay, this is red litmus paper. This complete is red paper, and we are just dipping in this one solution. Now what would happen? Now if this red litmus paper turns blue, the part that is there in the water, that is there in the liquid, it is turning into blue. This part has become blue now. Now what does this indicate? We have just dipped this red litmus paper in this one solution, and the part which is there inside the solution has become blue. This part has become blue. This indicates that the solution is basic solution. This is base. The solution contains base there. Okay, so every time whenever you dip red litmus paper in basic solution, then the red litmus paper would turn into blue. Okay, so if you have a solution and you just dip there the red litmus paper, if this red litmus paper turns into blue, then you would say that the given solution is basic solution. Okay, let's say now, for example, you have a solution here, and here it is soap. You are using soap that you are using at home also for washing purpose. You have the solution of the soap. This is a soap solution. Okay, this complete is soap solution. Now what you do, you take red litmus paper and dip this red litmus paper here. This complete is red. Now you would see the part which is there in the soap, this part would turn into blue. This part would turn into blue. This indicates that the soap is basic in nature. The soap is base. Okay, getting this? But now if you have an acidic solution, let's say you have the lemon water there. Lemon is what? Lemon contains acid. Okay, let's say you have the lemon water there. Now again you dip this red litmus paper here. Now what would happen? This is red litmus paper, you dip this here. Nothing would happen. This red litmus paper would remain red. The part which is there inside the lemon water would still remain red. So if it's so, then this indicates that the lemon water contains acid. Okay, so red litmus paper gives no color in, means would remain red. Red litmus paper would remain red in the lemon solution, means which is acid. Okay, so we can conclude that red litmus paper remains red in acidic solution, but red litmus paper turns blue in basic solution. Okay, now similarly we can do it for the blue litmus paper also. Okay, now one more example I am giving you. Let's say now you have a solution here. Let's say you have now the lemon water. Okay, this is lemon water. This is lemon water. Lemon water means which is acid. Lemon water contain acid. Citric acid is there. Okay, so you have acid there in the lemon water. Okay, now what you do, you just take this blue litmus paper now and just dip this blue litmus paper here. This is blue litmus paper. Okay, and dip this blue litmus paper here. Now what would happen? The part which is there inside the lemon water, this one part would turn into red now. This one part has become red. So this indicates that the lemon juice contains acid. Okay, so it implies that the blue litmus paper turns red in acidic solution. Okay, when you dip blue litmus paper in acid, it would turn into red. But let's say one more type of solution that contains soap. That is soap. Soap is what? Base. There is base in soap. Now if you just dip this blue litmus paper now in soap, this is blue litmus paper in soap. Now if you dip this blue litmus paper in the soap, so nothing would happen. It would remain blue. It would not change its color. Okay, so now we have concluded that red litmus paper turns blue in base, and red litmus paper would remain red in acid. Blue litmus paper turns red in acid, and blue litmus paper remain blue in basic solution. This is what we have concluded today. Okay, are you getting this? Now we would be discussing more about the litmus paper in the upcoming lectures. There you would be writing all this. Okay, so right now here I have just told you complete about the litmus. What is litmus? How we are making the litmus paper? That is what I have just discussed there. No need to write it all. Just think it, understand it. If you are knowing it, then it's good. Then in the next video you will be writing all about the litmus. Okay. Okay. Thank you. That's all for today. See you in the next lecture then. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.